In this movie, I have a tire sound. Let's listen to it. And one more. You can see the stereo effect in the waveforms as it gets louder moving from left to right. So I've decided I like the second one. In shuffle mode, I'm going to trim away the first one and have the second one kind of jump over the beginning of the timeline. I'm going to trim away the tail. I see this little blip down here on the right side, but I'm going to ignore that and have it end here. Now, you do in a stereo file want to check both sides of it, because if I used this point here for my end, I'd be actually cutting off a little bit of the right. So because of the motion from left to right here, the right side finishes later than the left, and that looks like a good place to end. So now I'm going to zoom a little bit, Command bracket, Control bracket on a PC, and let's listen to that. Good so far. I'm going to the Audio Suite menu, Other, Reverse. I'll render that, and now we have. Okay, that's got a really nice little close on it. Close the plugin. Let's look at the clip window. So it's created new audio. That's what the Audio Suite menu does. It processes new audio, puts it in the timeline, replacing the audio that you started with. Now I'm going to pitch shift the reversed file. So I'm going to go to Audio Suite, and I could use pitch shift. I'm going to use time shift this time. And in the lower right-hand corner here, I'm going to take it down 18 semitones. It's easier just to reach in and type -18. I'd like to hear that first. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and render that. Now it's replaced what was in the timeline with new audio, and I have yet another file. There's no way to know that this time shift came from this reverse. These aren't in the order that they happened. They're in alphabetical order. So I started with that, then I reversed it, then I time shifted it. Sometimes it matters a lot whether you reverse before you pitch shift. But in this case, I don't hear a distinct difference between reversing them and then shifting them, or the other way around. So now we've found a sound. If we take it a step further and use our time compression trimmer, I'm going to zoom just a little bit, give myself some right side here, and stretch this out, double its original length. And now I have the kind of computery alien bee swarming effect. So that's the idea of sound design. You don't just accept the sound effect as you found it, you apply your creativity to it and see what else it can become.